Number 1.
1992 Ford F-150, price $7,000, with 200,000 miles, automatic transmission, black exterior, beige interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. This truck is equipped with the reliable 5.0 Windsor V8 and a fully functional 4x4 system. Over $2,000 has been invested in the wheels and tires alone, with the tires being brand new. It also recently received a fresh $2,000 paint job completed just a few weeks ago. The truck was originally white, but a previous owner changed it to black. Due to the poor condition of the old paint, it was professionally repainted recently. The interior features an aftermarket touchscreen radio with Bluetooth connectivity, and the sound system works well. It is an AC truck, although the air conditioning is currently not functioning. For its age, the body remains very clean with no major rust issues or critical rust spots.
Number 2.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,500, equipped with a reliable V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck currently has 262,000 miles and features a white exterior with a blue interior. It runs on gasoline and has been consistently maintained throughout its life. Oil changes were performed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or annually, helping keep the engine in strong running condition. The timing belt and water pump were replaced at approximately 140k, 180k, and 240k miles. Gear oil in the transfer case and differentials has been serviced every 30k to 60k miles since 140k. The braking system has also been regularly maintained, with new pads, rotors, shoes, and drums most recently installed around 230k miles. An Old Man Emu suspension lift was installed at approximately 180k miles, including front coilovers, rear leaf springs, and shocks. The rear shocks were recently replaced after one began leaking. The front bumper and quarter panel were also recently replaced through insurance following a collision.
Number 3.
1998 Ford F-150, price $6,995, powered by the proven 4.6L V8 engine, delivering dependable performance and the classic reliability that has made the F-150 a trusted full-size pickup for years. Equipped with an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, this truck is well suited for Idaho weather, job sites, mountain roads, or everyday utility use. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a tan interior, it offers a clean and timeless appearance both inside and out. Running on gasoline and showing 205,000 miles, this F-150 continues to provide the durability and capability the model is known for. The cabin provides comfortable seating with practical, easy-to-use controls, while the truck bed offers the hauling space expected from a dependable pickup. Whether being used as an affordable work truck, a winter-ready 4WD, or a solid foundation for a custom project, this 1998 Ford F-150 delivers strong overall value and everyday versatility.
Number 4.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,990. It has 230,000 miles and comes equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this Tacoma has been kept in clean condition and still runs and drives great. Toyota trucks are well known for their durability and long-lasting reliability, and this pickup continues to prove why they have such a strong reputation. The interior is exceptionally clean for its age, and the truck already comes with a bedliner installed, making it practical and ready for hauling, work duties, or everyday use. Its simple and dependable setup makes it an ideal choice for someone looking for a reliable daily driver, a solid work truck, or a pickup that can continue serving for many more years. With its classic styling, dependable performance, and proven reliability, this Tacoma stands out as a hard-to-find example in this condition.
Number 5.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, equipped with a reliable 5.7L V8 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and smooth driving. Showing 174,000 miles, this gasoline-powered pickup runs and drives good and has been kept in solid overall condition. Finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, the truck still carries its original paint job, giving it an authentic classic look. The body is approximately 80% straight, and it sits on original aluminum wheels wrapped with good tires all around. This 4x4 model features a floor-mounted transfer case shifter, power windows, and original floor mats throughout the cabin. The interior maintains its original style and complements the truck's classic appearance well. Overall, it is a solid running pickup with desirable original features, and it comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner.
Number 6.
1978 GMC 1500, price $10,000, featuring an automatic transmission, a bold purple exterior, and a clean black interior that gives the truck a sharp and aggressive look. It comes with a clean Arizona title and has received several major mechanical upgrades that make it stand out from a typical vintage truck. Under the hood, it is powered by a brand new 350 engine paired with a new automatic transmission, providing strong and reliable performance. The truck has also been equipped with a new racing suspension system for improved handling and stance, along with a brand new rear end. In addition to those upgrades, it includes many extra improvements throughout, making it a well-built classic that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 7.
1991 Dodge Ram 2500, price $8,000, powered by the legendary non-intercooled Cummins diesel engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white with a red interior, the truck has a clean vintage appearance with plenty of old-school character. It sits on a 6-inch Skyjacker lift and is equipped with 16 by 12 Mickey Thompson classic wheels wrapped in older 33-inch tires, giving it an aggressive stance and classic lifted truck look. The G360 transmission was rebuilt a couple of years ago, adding confidence to its overall performance and drivability. With its manual transmission, diesel power, lifted suspension setup, and timeless first-generation Cummins styling, this Dodge Ram 2500 stands out as a strong-running and highly desirable classic truck.
Number 8.
2002 Ford Ranger, price $4,200, dependable and well-maintained truck with 150,000 original miles. It is powered by a strong and reliable 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance while still offering respectable gas mileage for a midsize pickup. The truck features a clean black exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and rugged appearance. The vehicle starts right up every time, runs strong, and drives well on the road. It has been primarily used as a work truck, so there are a few cosmetic imperfections and signs of normal wear, but nothing that affects its overall performance or reliability. There are no warning lights on the dashboard, no known accident history, and the truck comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 9.
1997 Nissan pickup, price $5,900, equipped with a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a solid and dependable driving experience. It features a black exterior matched with a clean gray interior, giving the truck a classic and simple look. The engine has been professionally rebuilt and runs strong, with the seller stating that everything on the truck is functioning properly and operating at 100%. The pickup also comes with a clean title and has been fitted with brand new tires, making it ready for daily driving or work use.
Known for their durability and fuel efficiency, these Nissan pickups are popular for their reliability and easy maintenance. Overall, this truck is presented as a well-maintained classic compact pickup that is ready to hit the road. Number 10.
1995 Ford F250, price $6,800. This truck is powered by a strong 7.5L gas engine paired with an automatic transmission and has only 73,000 original miles. Finished in brown with a tan interior, the truck features power windows and locks, cold AC, and 4 new tires. The interior is clean and well kept, and several recent maintenance items include new fuel pumps, rear fuel tank, fuel injectors, air filter, spark plugs, shocks, rotor and cap, along with a fresh oil change. The truck does have some cosmetic issues, including rust spots, faded paint, loose exterior trim,
peeling chrome on the bumpers, a slightly sagging headliner, and it will need an e-brake cable.